Hi, GC News. Bema Obibia Aquaba. I had here latest and hot news and I'm the Bremo. Abiti, so we subscribe ya. Momodia say, oh, best subscribe to the channel. Since I had here latest and hot news Yobian say, oh, click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification, you know, we have the side video here be uploaded. With the first person I would Sabeka a video. I feel we are now like video to give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer so now we may be here now and summer and coso air Wagana Memano. I feel you share a year and summer abeto your coso. A year, running late, Emma, a year, Dr. Mahamadou Paomia, I friend Ray Napo, Dr. Machi Opoku Prempe, what you see, echo to be above their campaign platform so our disobey boy NDC. I watch I say one be Kumaya Sofo, you know, Sasuna Busu Foso or the Kubi. Now, if you want to book before I saw that, I simply be a non of be now can Australia Bassat to be a day maneno. Now, and say be a people. Now, you could see a yes, I reporting a reaction, a fire upon some of the Atujano, Niti and Zema APP more ever. It is a reporting.
Adiana Napo Astateno. Ye Fred be guilty conscience. And Yamena me boy, Yakupon a boy. Guilty conscience. Se Ghana for ye kasa, ye gusua ye kasa, ye bisa, John Kuma, why ne ku John Kuma, na po who send Crawford in the photo, ababara John Kuma dear ho, Ghana for cansam. The heat is getting to Napo. Enti so ye fast no babonting, no babe shifty focus, they call NDC for so. Se NDC for a comuniba. Why ne ku John Kuma? Ye bisa Napo. We are not accusing you. Ye de ye bisa question.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Why ne ku
Hot news all time.
Why ne ku JB Dankwa? Because make common sense catch them me say. Ne ekoso wo mi fie. E wo se eno ho hia me more. Eche de ekoso wo me next door. Me neighbor fie. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe. Napo. Person me bisa Napo a couple of questions because Napo I didn't send no mabeto abontia. Napo, we need his help. We need for Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe to help us because there was some unresolved, high profile. I'm talking about JB Dankwa, MP. I'm talking about Mfansaman MP. I'm talking about John Kuma. Only the top three. Omunyina ye MPP for. Omunyina no mo ye Napo colleagues. Omone Napo neti parliament. Ye kumomo in cold blood. Me pese me bisa Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe say. Obetumi aboa ye Ghana for with information on Nipo Kunsa Nipa mi say yana because it seems as if say Napo or information pa. Muma yentie Napo.
Omukwa ne kubasofu akese mi enu Ghana ha ne feba ko ni brother amwako owo yire yu ketekete owo omani o omukwa abosofo na drobo okoye HIV agro ye kuni shegura mebu ana owo na sabu bum kramo sori dai what is onko na to my NDC obo obebu bu sori dai
entie biem
Omukwa ne kubasofu akese mi enu Ghana ha ne feba ko di fu asare ne feba ko brother amwako owo yire yu ketekete owo omani o omukwa abosofo na drobo okoye HIV agro ye kuni shegura mebu ana owo na sabu bum kramo sori dai what is onko na to my NDC obo obebu bu sori dai
MP na mede ne photo ato ha no ye nua bema John Kuma on the dem finfin no ena Mfansaman MP enso ena eda ho no wo TikTok so a wo come profile no so a wo be hu video no o ma ye video kitwa be dia to TikTok so ena WhatsApp so media to WhatsApp enti mu hu a eye me na maye me pese me bisa Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe question say because we are seeing your questions. Pese mi bisa Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe say, any pay me and sa MPC me and say, Omunyina ye MPP for. Omu ben wo napo. Echen odifu asare. Omu ben wo echen brada amuako. Ene Nana Drobo. But what to me who say NDC for ne kun odifu asare. NDC ne kun brada amuako. Ene NDC ne kun Nana Drobo. Waka yate. Na se wow de ne why ne kun wo. Because meti hey my next door neighbor me to me meka nkyere mo say me nim ne ekoso wo me fie ha but me nim ne ekoso wo next door ever say police for abafia say bibi koso wo mantem ha.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Ya pese ye wura wo dem ha ne ye bere say ade na akoso wo mantem na wo next door kora bibi akoso between 3 houses because ye 1 2 3 ye be 5 and ye safu say ye ne ye so mienu from the main street. Enti yesi mo 5 year mo wa hai bibi akoso enti ye boy wura obi adem monsieur a police for me dem ha de mamo ma ha na bibi ankoso wa ha but minim ne ekoso wo de akoso wo next door ha e na minim ne akoso wo next door ha nso me wa na bia de no me fie ha mo na CEO wow de napo ye napo o ya me ya bo ye mu bi mu ye ya bo suspect wo ne ma bi no ho titiri wa ba ni jonkuma o ya ma ye mu bi mu ye ya bo suspect me say sa na ye kun school for nkwara am ye bi wo UK ha Soham owuo TikTok ntim pese me ka na yi bebre ma ka story ya kire mo several times school for nkwara am ye no Holly and Jessica obi en Google ene ye kun kwara yi no me di say 8 years or say 9 years e kuomo a police of our Kent a police for call mantem ho omo kwakọ hwehwe nipa okun wo mo no omo school caretaker ene decide say obedi ade nanim wo area mu ho enti ono na kire police for no enwura bi wa ha yenkohwem edan bi si ha obi antanko yenkohwem no di anim no kire police for British police omo hwe ago omo di na che omo hwe ni di no mo se akwe wo ye suspect u behavior no e kire ye say wo ye suspect in the long run na e ono on ne kun kwara no CCTV ni ade e kire say nkwara ne ko ni fie kodi agoro so omo nim no from school e no ne omo na ti area say na omo feel comfortable with him no mo kodi agoro wo ni fie e no kun kwara no ni nyina aka ho na school ma yesisa mara bebre wo UK ha ade na napo a start no ye frɛ bibi guilty conscience enya me na me boy nyankopon na boy guilty conscience se Ghana for ye kasa ye gusu a ye kasa ye bisa jonkuma why ne ku jonkuma na po hu se nkrofo de ne photo abebare jonkuma de ho Ghana for kansam the heat is getting to Napo. Enti eso ye fast no ba bonten no ba be shifty focus de ko NDC for so say NDC for e komuniba okay yati NDC e komuniba ye nto aba ma NDC but neither are we going to vote for MPP. Why ne ku jonkuma ye bisa Napo ya simbisa we are not accusing you ye de ye bisa question why ne ku fancy my MP. Why the cool JB down? Because make common sense catch them say near cost wo me fee e was say e no hu hia me more e che de cost wo me next door me neighbor fee. Now if say ade na me accuse me next door say why ye no e bia si wo me nso me fee na say me feel say me nim next door de na then the probability say minimum yesi wo me am fie nso e very high enti ye bisa John Napo say why ne ku John Kuma why ne ku MPs ni na kan MPP for na ye ku kuma na why ne ku wo because you seem to know o kasa na nsuo nwu wanum wo se NDC for ne ku sofo asare sofo amuako ena Nana Drobo enti mi so mi bisa Napo why ne ku John Kuma why ne ku JB dankwa why ne ku back and fancy my MP enyo no kwa Mo first flag bearer. Edu Buahi, Nancy, your kum ne baya ya. Why ne kun no isle go? Professor B 2020, the kun ya MPP ni. Why ne kun sa professor no? Because Napo, you seem to have a lot of information about a kunkume in Ghana. Forget NDC. Yan to abama womo. Now yamra MPP di no. Eni pay me and why ne kun womo. Omi Mr. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh. Titruwane John Kuma di no. Because it does not make any sense that you know what is going on in your next door neighbor's house, but what is going on in your own house you don't know. You know. You cannot bypass your home and start telling us, Adiana will say next door neighbor na yeno. Who should the same thing akosu wo fee? You cannot tell us that you don't know who has done the akosu wo fee, no, but you know what has happened with next door neighbor, the fee. A police for na ba or money one yardre. A police for ba, they will not agree with you. So we catch something akosu wo fee, and no dia one way. But all details, date and time, because all can say, what me kura kachre ye say, or do you for sorry, so for moako, and then another robot the kura esi area kete. Question of the day to Napo. Nti JB dan kwa de no esi tamben. And an John Kuma de no esi tamben, because what now be kachre ye nanse ya say, Akufo-Addo kachre o 2011. So obedi vice president or the party ni bejaw. Ye kotie Akufo-Addo social na ano no. Or say omo na waye na dwene so the party ni bejaw mo na nipa miensa. Ba wo mea. Wo se wo ka ho. Ye hwe Akufo-Addo sisi John Kuma na ka ho pa. Wo social kasa watakura de na anu amokoye manifesto no. Wo bobo din no. Wa mo John Kuma din. Wo se enipa miensa na Akufo-Addo ka kire so the party ni bejaw wo mo. Sa nipa miensa na mienu wo dem ho ba ko na aka no wa amonidin wa amonidin wa nka nkyere se wawu anaso otinkwam wa nka nkyere se no wo dem ho anasa no ni dem ho wa nka hwe amfa onipa akoro no ho napo enti enyanwa Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, do you now understand why Ghana for binum started pointing fingers at you, considering near or heneba so beka kire yen no?
You are watching Juicy
Said the
News
actual
on YouTube.
target was
Hot
Woon
news
to me,
all time.
not even John Kuma. It was actually Woon to me. He was the target. And John Kuma has taken the fall. Woon to me was the target. John Kuma happened to be at the wrong place at the wrong time with the wrong people. And he has taken the fall. That is why the reason why you're zooming in on you, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, is this. It delayed this whole running mate and some. Your own actions, your behavior, is now making all of us zoom in on you when it comes to John Kuma. And we cannot have such a character as the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana unless but just like the British police were able to now zone in on Ian Huntley, we cannot help but to now start putting our spotlight on you when it comes to John Kuma because of your behavior. Oh, yeah, campaign. Ghana force economy I say your young status CD depreciate fuel prices koshro and an answer mo finance minister see your food security issues aba ye here 500 billion what original campaign platform so e mu bia ni ho a wutumi address ye other than say NDC for ekum enipa aden na nipa kunkum nkomo ehun hia wo sa napo. Because Ghana for pointing fingers at you when it comes to John Kuma, and it is getting at you, and you want to deflect the matter and tell us say NDC for ne kumunipa. Mimi bisa when I put it to you. Why ne ku John Kuma? Brana be kachire because you seem to have information. Untumi nja wo fie de ho. Na meka de ekoso obi fie nchire yen. Ye pese ye hu de ekoso wo fie. Question number 2. NDC for how long have you Napo known say NDC for Kumunipa Ghana ho? Ubo police amane. Wo ka kire IGP. IGP dodo afa Ghana nzem utumi bo omumu bia from Peter Namfuri Kudalo enemre dampare utumi ka kire omumu bia say NDC for enekun enipa miense Napo should be picked up immediately. If Ghana was a serious country, Napo needs to be picked up. Because you seem to have information, you know the time, you know the place, you know BBR. Now if so would be who NDC for the idea, then why we fear the no. Then we can conclude so we fear the no information, you know. Any pebi say or see Uncle Chuabanko the vice president. Yenja John Kuma de ho. Ni yanko di NDC for the nana drobo. Chere ye ni poku nana drobo. Branaba bo ni pakro di ding. Sebe ya say ye John Mahama na mu sebe his excellency na ye hu say ye koto aba na tia no. But which me meka John Mahama na be de chere for de enchere yen say NDC for e na ku nipa miense. Muso mo de ya miensa ye narrow ne to miensa. Muso mo de na po wan ne ku wo. Say wo de wo so wa no how. Wo si nyansa edi nyansa umfa bi nye campaign ya ye. Nyansa edi nyansa na posi onfa nyansa enye campaign. See the depreciate na posi onka ho asem. Fuel prices kosro na posi onka ho asem. Yes, food security drought aba o my Ghana aduane ni ho. Ami Adam si ye di aduane ni nyina. O si ye di ye sika nyina. There were reserves na mi Adam si ye di bibiara. Ye hia 500 million na posi eno onka ho asem. Galamsey aba kum nipa kidney problems most mwakofa dialysis machines di aba na posi onhunu nyansa endi eno ho nkomo most mo ya politics on issues campaign based issue based campaign and then answer waka na wo yire wo Instagram so say welcome sweetheart to the contest of ideas. If it is a contest of ideas, and then the work catch say NDC for the kunsa nipa miensa we dia, then the same contest of ideas, me show me bisa why the kunsa nipa miensa omo MPP for omo nyina so na omo neti parliament omo nyina your colleague MPs. And the man was Napo ni menyansa. And na Mr. Johnson asi edu nketi aka in school MPP Jimmy Napo oni menyansa. Because Napo is desperate for power and will do anything for power in any serious country. Napo out of the race. Momenti o heneba.
Nti asamusia enra me ko twa on Facebook say Chema Woodruby was the target enye John Kuma, and I will say it 101 times. To hell with your dear church on Facebook
and within.
Me say, Ken Meba
Yanyam Mofra. John Kuma was within. Chairman Wood to me was the target. John Kuma was not the target. The target was Wood to me, according to Omane. But regardless, John Kuma has taken the fall. And Napo has information.
Neighbor, to hell with your dear church on Facebook.
And she says,
to hell with your dear car. I don't care.
Party MPP no mojidi.
Me say, John Kuma, to me, nobody on this planet Earth can convince me, say, John Kuma died. He was killed.
Wow. To
hell with your dear church on Facebook.
And she says,
to hell with your dear car. I don't care.
Party MPP no mojidi.
Me say, John Kuma, to me, nobody on this planet Earth can convince me, say, John Kuma died. He was killed. To me, nobody on this planet Earth can convince me, say, John Kuma died. He was killed. To me, nobody on this planet Earth can convince me, say, John Kuma died. He was killed. To me, nobody on this planet Earth can convince me, say, John Kuma died. He was killed.
Say, beside Napo, ye beside Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe. Napo, anyempia, John Kuma diano so uo information, ana. Oye unuya MP, oye unuya MPP ni, oye unuya Asante ni. Need ye uni who information. But NDC for the end who information. Like, Brother Becca John Kuma di ni muchere yen. Ghana for, mamo maye njai John Kuma, mamu maye njai say ye bisa na
You are watching
questions
Juicy
ewo
News on
John Kuma de no
YouTube.
ho.
Hot
We
news
cannot
all time.
wait for another 8 years, 10 years later, and sana na po abeka kire yen ni okun John Kuma. On kan kire yes say asan yakoto aba December. So what me abeka NDC for de na kire yen dia. Bra san pie bra bonten na po na beka John Kuma de no so emu nsem kire yen. Any JB Dankwa de bra na beka emu nsem kire. Any mfanse man MP pie bra bonten na beka emu nsem kire yen. Because we are still in the decision making stage. Now you to be making a decision in them. Whether we are forgetting John Mahama, so say by to Abanama Bawumia, ye pesi ye toma Bawumia, but another boy uncommon. Why no cool John Kuma, ye bisa napo? Why would your casa baby the ayo napo? Casa baby, why would the ayo? Why would your casa baby? So who's a Ghana for young Kwasia for? Ye may be some questions. But do you see what you've done to yourself? Right now, Dr. Masio Poku Prempe, whether you like it or not, John Kuma Wo is synonymous to your name. You can never remove John Kuma Wo from your name, Napo. And on the air hardness say it is eating Napo up like cancer. A didi Napo, a bonadam. Say or chini mutai John Kuma Wo no abebata ne din. And think that we are so shallow-minded. So bad, that or the NDC be tremua, a be swaying, and swaying. What they are by yate, NDC kumuni pamiansa, bomodiana kobo IGP because crime a the expiry dates. Yet ha and an answer, na anu ya na kwame plus. Ebe kachere say or onimnipoku Hamed Swali. And to baba be live video. Ya di chine mienu miensa ba ya A+ asesa story ne kakra enye hwe also the information nyina akoma IGP etwen IGP na po bomode anafa wo soso NDC fo de fa ehu information nyina akoma IGP uria sa kwtina campaign so na beka MPP de no so kire uria na de no so akoma IGP because you see it doesn't make any sense that you know what has happened next door but you don't know what has happened in your own home. No, you know what has happened in your home. And if you can tell us what has happened next door there, then equally tell us what has happened in your own home. Next door there, ya miensa. Nana drobo. Sofu amwako. Sofu odifu asari. Ususu there ya miensa. JB Dankwa. John Kuma. Ene mfanse my MP. Echireni ya dubu ahe bade di nyina abeka ho. The point I'm trying to make is Napo, you are acting very stupid on this campaign trail. O tum for catchere Napo say, Shena wa ma bawomia enu ne hu se oyiwu. Bawomia na emu no obredada. O koyi wa mo ababe complimenti ticket na wa babe say adie ni nyina. Se mo we ni mpo a. Ghana fo nyina se kwasiafo mienu ne di o man nim. Se mo we ni mpo a. Ghana fo nyina nim wo yakomam sebio ye humwa ye be wo se nkwasiafo mienu ene di o man nim. Da bi yentumi suro Nyankopon ye mesuro mo nso nka ho. Me mesuro mo. Me ye video bia me bom pa ya sana maso me camera. Me se me ntumi suro Nyankopon bo soro ne asase. Na me mesuro Napo ne ba wo me ya. Na me ame ma me nua Akufo Adompo. A moja ba ako enam yemu ye nyina ye na ba ako na no se ofodata ye nyina ye free na se baaye. Akufo Adokora metumi aka ne de na enye Napo ne ba wo me ha. Munnim nyansa, Napo wunnim nyansa. Unnim nyansa. Bible, yes, wisdom. Wisdom is standing in the marketplace calling. Wisdom say mumro na me wahama mu free bra freme meba bisame na meba. Napo, you lack wisdom. Napo, you lack wisdom. Because you see, se ka won lack wisdom. Ka wo kasa no, ensem we ka wo nkoka. Wo lack wisdom nti wo ka no, wadwe amaso. Se Ghana fo be connected John Kuma, JB Dankwa, ye be connected wa wo fie de to you. Because the war information about next door, then you certainly must have even more information about Nyakoso wa wo fie. Me ti hey, me to make come next door. Na worry munsem, but I can talk about me ama worry. I can talk about the Okoso will be fee. I can talk about how me yemedriane, how me see me fee. I can say everything about me fee. I cannot talk about next door because I don't know what goes on next door. Minim kurana ka krebi omode kire me wa abontin na mihu. Ane bia ye di nkoma kakra mbeka kire me na minim. Enti wo kakra na wunim about NDC. So if you wunim so much about NDC, then you certainly must know more about what they. Enti brana beka kire why ne kun John Kuma, why ne kun JB Dankwa, why ne kun Fancy my MP, why ne kun mo first flag bearer ne ba no na nse ya. Edubo ahemba ye kun na nse ya. We share the old school platform so information my husband ye bia na ye kan wo fear her. He was complaining to some MPP people. He was complaining to some very senior police officers in Ghana. One of the ochina ye behe. Otifie one day ta. Onuya boy mu yi ni free abemu ya. Akufo-Addo by the time who say Sebi anas areme yawo anas ensem sembi. Eti guy no kwane ni saka mo pamono no. Na Akufo-Addo apamo na wi. Or yes or reinstate na e de anim guase aba because we good boy na nim ase dada. Ene yeso was South Africa. Ya no finance ministry edubo ahene ba bi da no finance ministry ho. MPP. Say na wufu so wenya NDC for asem na wo ba beka. Na sebio life biya ye life obiya de ye important. Na sebio asem bisa kekeu. Na nadrobo you da be how many years ago? So for brother mo akwen how many years ago? Odifu Asari how many years ago? Yenti wakwa triaba 2024 campaign. At the 2020 campaign, John Mahama wenyina. Denti na ensem wenyina one can 2020 napo. One was a wuni menyansa. 2020 campaign. Denti na napo ensem way one farmer bunting. Sebeya ka John Mahama ka NDC for stop 2020 dada. Ka wansa ma maye flag bearer 2024. But it's sense we are selfish inti. 2020 they say enya wona na wujina for running mate. Into na enfound. They say the 2024 waba into selfishness, greed, a pure babonting. Napo, do you see how you have shown Ghanaians who you are? You are a very wicked man, Napo. It means 2020 you knew all this. 2016 you knew all this. But wonka. But say na akwaya wankasa on the ticket no afedi obeka. Na eni pay me and sadie. Any John Kuma no de they in a recent. If you can take us back to the past, then you certainly can talk about the happening and say, John Kuma 1 year kuramai. JB Dankwa 8 years mueni. And Fancy Man MP cried them say 4 years ago, say 5 years ago. What jap ni na ho? And I walk NDC for what year? Ghana for someone. No, me basa me be painty who Napo is to you people. Monko na mko chua bama Napo de baumia. Monko chua bama wom. Someone you money MPP dim. Monko chua bama wom.
Wow. Police for fremia. We need chemu am de bama wom. BNI for fremia we need chemu because to me my instincts, what I feel within me and what I saw. Me say John Kuma did not die, he was killed. I was in for Fremia, we need chemu am de bema. BNI for Fremia we need chemu because to me my instincts, what I feel within me and what I saw. Me say John Kuma did not die, he was killed. For Fremia, we need chemu am de bema. BNI for Fremia we need chemu because to me my instincts, what I feel within me and what I saw. Me say John Kuma did not die, he was killed. I was in 22nd October.
Who was in a trend? Captain Smart.
Yes,
because almost a week ago.
Okay, kind, but he got it wrong. He had a gist of it. Otihubi.
Story.
Because Okase incident this in Kumasi. Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
22nd October. Now you what tamale? Me, Chema to me, John Kuma, and a mere minute Kuma. One of Chema to me boys here, ye can who she. First vice chairman, Akimango Bejanov. chairman Eko Boa Dr. Baumia was Northern Region, the campaign, and an incident in Ekusi. Yakwa campaign aba. Now say you move from Tamale. Na yako, I think Walwala ni yako northeast. But that night, your campaign ye chay. Because of the policy oh yeah time near there. There was yes back. Ebe that time.
Na John Kumakaun.
Na John Kumakaun.
Okay.
Now was yes back near that time. Originally chairman Okono. Now was say na Nefia. Sister Edeneneko. Ena Bibinti went to me uncle. Me knew what came on me. You were Dr. Baumia campaign officer was and I'm saying no. My friend Andy, now I'm saying no. I don't think I was a chairman kwa kota mali. It me ye jumadi but me judgment na menenako. And I'm a friend man for say o me enko because that time na Andy na kasa. And I'm man for say obema ni feedback enumre. Chairman so betu ba ho mache be 3.
Chairman John Kumane Koi.
No, John Kumane Frakane buy.
Okay.
So I called Andy. No, I'm saying the chairman Ebeko. No, and I saw the man. I'm saying yes, me the chairman Ebeko. And I'm a friend man for say. So when you're comfortable, me buy me out continue organizing on Nomra. Tell my chibefo. And I'm share chairman.
Me, I'm gonna for. We know the story. You fancy ya? You fancy ya? Na me de na po ye na wagana hon de me hu bi da. Menti bi da. Nyansa bia so enimu mame. Nyansa bia enimu mame. And sa kunkumi a wakofa de aba campaign yimu. It only tells me one thing. Napo is feeling guilty about something. Only he knows. Only he knows what he's feeling guilty about. Therefore, yen deflect it. And na meti se obi kasa se ne do se ne dien yo. Se so no ankasa o. Se ye so yare na ya fly ne ko Germany. Na ye fan he ko si he. Na ye fly ne nko baby na na Nambuno region ho said ye campaign e fan ne ko si he. Then suddenly he goes and stands there and shares some more. Pardon me. Because what na poate nkomo na ye bono na po wate nkomo na ye bono nkomo na ye bono e ha na po bibi chi na po e chino nkomo na ye bono enti eso wo to de ma NDC fuo na se wudi NDC fuo de a ene de wo wa wo fie susu unim ti bra na beka wo fie de kire ye
omo kwa de kuma sofu akese mienu ogana ha na fe ba ko odifu asare na fe ba ko brother amwako omo yire awia ketekete omo kuma bosofo na drobo okoye HIV agro ye kuni shengura mebu ana
ena MPP fo so ku ho anom na po ena MPP fo so ku ho anom ade o hene ba MPP NDC for bubu nkramo nsore dan na mususu makotutu yensa ase National Cathedral MPP bubu nkramo nsore dan a musuma wiawia nkrofo nsa ase bubu nkrofo no ma mo am party financier Mr. Otibo nsu mo di bia di no ebia mo de ne nya nsore dan ne nkramofo dan but mo bubu nkrofo fie ya hu bi wo good morning Ghana so ana pay mugusu e bubuko mugusu a musu mububuko na mpese me bisa napo una pese wo di vice president wo Ghana me nka se mpese me di vice president wo Ghana se obi ekumobi me meti hai na se bi obi wa information wo di pokun jonkuma ho a it is of no use am dey me fie ha e o se me kwadam ko bo IGP amane sa na mmara na sie enti na wonim da wo mo eku na drobo ne odifu asare ne brada mo akwin why na ubo na manie emra those in charge of emra no and na won ko bo o manie se be ya Ghana emra na wo pase wo ba be vice president na wo de Ghana emra ye adwuma rule of law wo de ye adwuma no and then na drobo no mu die won konko report se be ya emra betumi ye adwuma na wo de ahya wo all these years
you waiting for winning and somewhere yeah mami edit to the ni ye na po ni somewhere wo kan say ye NDC for woni kuma so for mi no ke kan simple be na on ewo campaign platform so na no mami react a wada in simple go na edit because GC so and our no so we can subscribe ya Bomodian say over subscribe to the channel. Listen say happy latest and hot news in one enemy bremo. I thought we are not like video, give us a thumbs up. Nothing share my of Frosuna when you be here now and some more airport or air Ghana memo. Also bet me actually what we are fire and somewhere now I will comment box me over in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.